Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a bat. Grab some markers and follow along. Draw an oval for the head. 2 triangles for the ears and 2 smaller triangles for the spots inside the ears. Ovals for the eyes. A small oval with 2 dots for the nose. Draw an open mouth with a straight and a curved line. Add a curve for the tongue and 2 triangles for the fangs. Draw a circle behind the head for the body and a smaller circle for a belly spot. Add 2 ovals behind the body for the feet. Draw a curve for the wing and add 2 evenly spaced dots between the tip of the wing and the foot. Draw 3 curves between the foot, the dots, and the wing tip. Add a vertical and an angled line inside the wing. Above these lines we draw a hand with 3 curves. Repeat these steps for the wing on the other side. And we have drawn a bat. I color the bat in pink and light purple. He looks very active, so it must be nighttime. Let's draw a night sky with the moon and some stars on a dark purple background. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.